Well, g'day curd nerds, you asked for it, so I'm presenting it, and we are doing the Keep Calm and Eat Cheese. This is a weekly series of cheese making videos that I'm going to eat cheese in front of you, as I did in the Cheese a Day challenge. So once a week I'm going to sit down with a new piece of cheese that I found from who knows where. I'm not sticking just to supermarkets this time. I'm going to try and seek out artisan cheesemakers, markets, that sort of stuff, and give a little bit of background on the cheese that I'm eating. So today's cheese is Truckle Brothers Red Hot Dutch. So this cheese is imported from the United Kingdom. It says it's made in the United Kingdom from Dutch cheese. So, bit of a strange one, this one. It's packaged in red wax. Truckle Brothers is a brand. It doesn't say what dairy it comes from. It says established in 1884 in Buxton in the UK. It's 200 grams. It cost me $6.50 at Woolworths supermarket. The ingredients for this cheese are Gouda and Edam, so it's been reprocessed after the cheese has been made, and those cheeses contain milk, salt, starter culture, and non-animal rennet. Contains dried red chilies, 2.8%, and dehydrated jalapeno peppers, 0.8%. Allergy advice, it contains milk. Funny about that. Best before 13th of April, so I'm okay with this cheese. The fat content is, what is it? Get my glasses out, Gav. They are 25.1% or 25.1 grams per 100 grams. Yeah, it says suitable for vegetarians, keep refrigerated. Consume within 3 days after opening the package. And the average serving size is 30 grams. So, Truckle Brother Red Hot Dutch says cheese with chilies and jalapeno peppers. So, let's break into the cheese, shall we? Where's the best place to start? Let's just cut the wax here. I've got a bit of the cheese as well. Oh, goodness me. Yeah, this is a reprocessed cheese. It's actually got a bit of mold infection just here, where the wax is split or something. Not good. Get the wax off. Hopefully that mold hasn't gone all the way through the cheese. This is rather difficult. Don't want an entire video of Gavin removing wax from a cheese, do we? Oh, a lot of the cheese is sticking to the wax. There we go, that's that bit. So the top comes off perfectly. Smells cheesy. Alright, let me just get rid of this wax. Get rid of some wax on the cutting board there. Don't want that on my cheese. So let's cut her in half. So it's had some colouring added to it too, or that could be just the chilies. It's also got some, well, there must be some green chilli, or there might be some extra herbs or something in the cheese. Let's have a close-up of that. So the cheese it looks quite good. You can see spots of white through the cheese, as well as this, well, red. I think they must have put annatto. Well, don't know if they're using Gouda and Edam, and they've reprocessed it and rebatched it. That's exactly what it looks like. And it looks like it's been extruded actually, because of the lines on the sides of the cheese. It looks like it's been manufactured. Let me just get this. The mold it's like white mold, I'm not sure. Anyway, Made a big mess of my cheese board. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's get rid of that. And I got some crackers, so let's try a bit of this Truckle Brothers cheese. You can smell the herbs and the chilli. A little, you can hint of. Oh no, doesn't smell like Gouda or Edam, that's for sure. Oh, a bit of a bite to it. Get rid of the cracker. In fact, a lot of a bite. It's quite hot. Oh, goodness me. That's almost as hot as my Triple Jack. In fact, it's so hot, I can't taste the cheese. All I can taste is the burning sensation in my mouth, and I'm starting to break out in a sweat. So, try another piece. Glutton for punishment. It's a nice salty flavour. You can taste a little bit of the cheese, but the chili pepper is so overwhelming with this cheese. There's a lot to it. Let's have another little piece. I think Kim might like this one more than I do. Anyway. I can't taste anything now. My tongue is so sore. Not bad though. It doesn't taste like any Edam or Gouda that I've ever tasted. Maybe it's the really bad export cheese from the Netherlands, the Gouda and Edam, and they mush it all up and make it into this. And you just take that bite out of your tongue. Well, there you go. If you're into a bit of cheese with your chili peppers, then this is the one for you. Still breaking out in a sweat here. It's very hot cheese, overpowering. The flavours are way too overpowering for the cheese. And you can really, you can't taste the cheese itself. So a little bit disappointing. They've gone way over the top. Nice enough cheese. If you're into really hot foods, then yeah, this will be the one for you. Truckle Brothers Red Hot Dutch, it's called. So yeah, go out and try that. Should be in a store somewhere near you. Possibly only available within, I don't know where they export it to, but anyway, UK, I dare say it would be there somewhere, and here in Australia. Very, very spicy cheese. Anyway, thanks for watching the Keep Calm and Make Cheese, Keep Calm and Eat Cheese episode, the very first one. There'll be another one next week, and we're going to be trying Jarlsberg. So, yeah, that'll be lovely. But that was Truckle Brothers Red Hot Dutch. Well, thank you for watching, Curd Nerds, and I will see you next time.